Not a surprise, no, with the statements of the Vice President. Probably she's trying to be the new face of the opposition, but we really need to hear from her, no? And, you know, it's easy to criticize the government with respect to its policies, programs, the government or the administration that she is a part, especially when she was the Secretary of the Department of Education. Pero bakit may narinig pa po tayong solusyon na kanya pong ginawa patungkol sa mababang ranking ng ating pong mga estudyante based on the latest PISA ranking? Bottom 4 po ang ating bansa. So when she was the secretary, ano po yung ginawa niya? So bakit ngayon lang po siya lumalabas at nagpapahayag ng mga pagkontra sa mga polisiya at programa at sinasabing maraming problema ang ating bansa? So I guess babalik din po sa kanya ang kanya pong mga sinasabi laban po sa administrasyon.